Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesan Adewusi. Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin kan. Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Yes, I want to gist you about what is coming up in my new book. Yes, what you will meet in my new book. The title of the new book is African Power. African Power. Yes. You know, I told you that you can use this one with honey. This is the piece of the orange. Some people can call it skin of the orange. When you dry this one, you can put it in the sun. You dry it, turn it to powder with honey, mix it with honey and one thing. Anything you target, by the special grace of God, you will see it. Inú igbó lọsàn ló ń wà, ọmọ aráyé ńlá náà lọ bá ní. Orange trees normally stay in the bush. It is human beings that will labor themselves to find it. Your luck will locate you. Your luck will find you. Some people that are being appointed as ministers, ambassadors, commissioners, some of them, they are not the political members. They used to unpick some people. Yes. They will just remember somebody. Say, I remember somebody, he was my former teacher. He was for my former student. He was formerly my hostel boy when we were in the school. They relocate you. Yes. Igbo lọsàn wà, ọmọ aráyé lánàá lọ bá ní. See. Orange piece with honey and one thing. Ẹni bá pò owó ìtẹ̀rù tí ó fi tàná ló ìwọ̀nba tí ó fi tàná ló mú dání. African get power. They get power. We have power. See, this is needle. Abẹ́rẹ́. This is needle. Needle. Abẹ́rẹ́. They use it. All the tailors, they can't do without needles. They use it either to tight. They use it to tight the button or to whip, to do any other things. This needle, abẹ́rẹ́. Abẹ́rẹ́ ó kọjá lọ kọ́nà okùn kó tó dí o. This needle will pass through the cloth before thread gets its own problem of passing through. Yes, when you put it in the cloth, it will pass through. It is only the thread that will get problem. Ọ̀tá ẹ̀ wá wálé wọn níbẹ̀. Tí ẹ bá ń gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀tá mi wálé kò bá mi nílé. Ọ̀tá ń ṣe orí wọn yóò ṣe yéèyé. Your enemy will cry. When they find you in your house, they didn't buy. They are happy to see you. Yes. When bad people come to your house, they will not meet you. Abẹ́rẹ́ ó kọjá lọ kọ́nà òkun tó dì. Báwo la ṣe máa lo abẹ́rẹ́? How are you going to use this needle? Meet me in African Power. Meet me in African Power book. Agbára èèyàn dúdú. African Power. Yes. Agbára èèyàn dúdú. Yes. Ó wà nínú ìwé yẹn. It's in the book. What we add to the needle? Yes, it doesn't cost you 100 naira. You will prepare this thing by yourself. You put it in your car. You can put it in your body. When you wrap it with something, what you will wrap with it is one or two things. You put it in your car or you put it in your body. You can hang it in your house. Ọ̀sán àtòru kì í pàdé, bèbí odò méjì kì í pàdé ara wọn. Ọ̀sán àtòru ìpàdé, bèbí odò méjì kì í fojú kara wọn. 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. can never jam each other. Yes, meet me in African Power book. You will see me. You will see it there. See, this is cells. This is egg. This is the cell. This is empty shell. If you know the importance of this one, if you know how to use this one, If somebody want to sell this one for you for 10,000, you will buy it. I am just gisting you so that if you can see somebody to get it for you in advance now. Because when the book is finally released in October 30, 2020, the year 2020 that we are now, that is this very month, October 30, the year 2020, when the book is released, this thing will scarce. Yes, this is excess. It will scarce. I will tell you the reason. You know, this is not their Greek cells, you. This is local fowl egg cells. Local fowl egg cells. And it is not ordinary that one. It is the empty egg cells when the local fowl has already hatched his chickens. Yes. You know, local fowls normally stay 21 days on brooding, 21 days on incubating. When they want to incubate, they will spend 21 days without food. Once they are hatching like this, the first 10 days, they can come outside to find food. And they can't stay long, only to eat themselves. But when it is 10 days to hatch, you can't see local fowls to come outside again. They will never come outside again. You can't see them to come outside. Yes, ask from farmers, ask from those who know about it. Yoruba always say it, ọ̀nà kìdí kádì ẹ̀mọ́ débi àbẹ́. You cannot prevent a fowls that is on incubating period not to reach incubating seat. No. When they are on breeding like this, if that type of fowls happen to come outside to eat itself, when you want to come out and come to that incubating place, nobody can stop it. Ọ̀nà kìdí kádì ẹ̀mọ́ débi àbẹ́. Ọ̀nà wọ́n sì nǹkan kò tó ẹ lọ́wọ́. Òní o, òní bá a ṣe ń lò. Tá a bá mísẹ̀ pẹ̀lú oyin, when you add this one, you powder this one. Yes. When you powder it, you use a stone to turn it to powder. You mix it with only one thing. What we add to it is in my book, African Power. If I give you now, some people will still come on YouTube to be doing yanga, to be repeating what I've already posted. I remember when I told you how you can use ashes for people that get hatred in their body or people that they have been caused. I saw many people that are repeating my post. I taught you how you can use coconut water and honey for retentive memory. Somebody has come to repost it. And you people are watching, you cannot send message to them that why are you copying Baba Oloyin? That is why over 2 weeks I didn't post anything. I just deliberately wait for them to know what they will be posting. Because all the 50 ways of using honey, almost what I have in the book, I've posted it to people free of charge on YouTube. Some people are tapping on it. I have posted that of coconut since 2018. I repeated it in May this year because of people who said they didn't hear Yoruba. So I have to repeat it in English. That of coconut water and honey for retentive memory. I saw some people they are reposting. Yes, I leave them for God. They are watching me. They are expecting me to post a new thing for you today, so that within 3 days they will come and repost. See their post. Watch my post. Go and watch my post. The one of bitter leaf. I told you how you can use bitter leaf to remove hatred from body. I posted since 2018. I repeated it in May or June this year. I posted it in 2018 in Yoruba. I reposted it back in English in May or June this year. For the benefit of those who don't hear Yoruba. But anytime I post something like this, within 2 weeks, some people will come to YouTube. They do yanga as if they are the original people. That's why I have to rest. This thing that I'm releasing in book, I'm after them. I will watch them now. If they are going to repost anything I put inside the book again, maybe I have to report them to YouTube. Yes, it is high time I do that. When people are calling me that, why do I allow something to be happening to me? Guys, some people, they get nothing in their brain, but just to tap people. I told you in my last episode that my new book, those who don't get breast, you will meet me there. What you will use, you get breast enlargement. When we were very small, we had one sister. She hawk pap to the next village to ours. So she was kidnapped by some boys. Yoruba people call it janto. They call it janto. So they carried the woman, our sisters, when she hawk pap to the next village. The mother was crying. Many people were appealing to us that this girl is old enough to go to husband place. The woman, the mother of the sister, said, because my daughter never gets breast, that is why she was weeping. So our elder man, we call that one Baale in our village. The village head called the woman, say, go and buy Pandoro. Go and buy African sausage tree. So they prepare something. They gave to her sister. When the sister came to visit us in the village, she has already got breast. That secret is here. It's in my book that is coming up. How they use it for that, our sisters. Yes. Then, about penis enlargement. We had one brother. I have one brother. When he married, the very day they put the woman to the man, after 30 minutes, our senior brother was knocking. Say, why are you doing like this? You never finish? The man replied that it is the mat. It was the mat. He said it was the mat that was shaking, that he was unable to enter. You understand me? That very day, they know what was happening to the brother. They called him. He said he get a small penis. So they prepare something. They prepare for our brother. Within 1 or 2 weeks, no complaint again. The secret is in my hand now. You know, I told you when I was very young, I used to document traditional medicine in account for people. I told you, if you read my history is in my book, you see what I wrote there. When I was very young, they used to call me in the village. When I was 10 years old, I used to document medicine for them. Yes. So don't forget the program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television, the program you are watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And those of you that used to share, help me share this program. God will bless you as you used to share. And anytime you share, help me tell those people that I'm sending books. Because some people will just tell me, and they send the message to them on WhatsApp. They don't know that I'm sending books. So they will be asking me to teach them free things. I used to tell them, which book did you buy for me? They will tell you, no, I never buy book. Somebody just sent your WhatsApp to me. He sent your video to me on WhatsApp. I'm sending books. I'm selling books on honey. This is honey as a medicine book. Yes. The book that is coming, the price is double of this one. Because what I have inside it, when you see it, you will be surprised. It's African power. You know my book. You will only add one thing to the honey, and it work for you. You will add only 1 or 2 things. In my book, you will never see where you will add 3, 5 things. No. You will only add 1 thing. See this one of needle. Abẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀kọ̀já lọ́kọ́nù òkun tó dí. Only 1 or 2 things you add to the thing. And you put it in your pocket. Your enemy will come to your house, he will not find you. He will be crying. Yes. See this orange piece. Apart from this orange piece that we had to honey, only 1 thing again you had to eat. Yes. When you had it to eat, It's not a medicine. People, your luck will shine. Your luck will locate you. See this egg cells. It's local one, not their Greek one. Local fowl that has already hatched the empty cells. Èpo ẹyin adìẹ tó ti sàbà tán that has spent 21 days on hatching. Yes. When you mix it with honey, on what we build, green card, yellow card, which is damn títí, gbogbo tó ọ̀nà wọ́n sì tó try. But bá ráṣìírí kìíní ó dùpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run. All the things you are struggling for, the paper you are looking for, it never reach your hand. You use it, you will thank God. We can use it when we have something to eat, to do eyelids. Our people use it to do eyelids, tiro. One thing say tiro. If you had 1 or 2 things to eat, you can put it in your perfume. If you have something to eat, you can put it in hot drink and take your drink with it. There's no way a fowl that is incubating must reach the place during the brooding period. And when they had the chickens finish, you know they used to cover. Yes, go and meet them. Any fowl you get, go and watch it in the night. When rain is falling, rain is not falling, local fowl will always cover his children. That is why you can also use it for protection. Meet me in African Power book. African Power. The book will be released October 30, by the special grace of God. October 30, the year 2020. We have many things. You will get many things. Yes. If the landlord want to send tenant parking, they know how to do it. Nítorí bàbá àgbà yín ti lóko kẹ́yìn. Wọn ò lọ mọ́ ti ní àlóko. Wọ́n mẹsẹ̀ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ bù. Àwọn tí wọ́n ń dààmú láàmú lórí oko wọn rẹ́sẹ̀ táwọn yẹn bù. Ó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ tí ń jẹ́rù. Yes. Ẹ tó wà l'Amẹ́ríkà tó wà lọ́nà tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kó wálé, ó lápèta, ẹ máa pèta, ẹ máa ṣàṣìṣẹ́ ilé ṣàṣìyàn. Àti wọ́n ń dààmú èrí nǹkan kan ṣe sí àn. Ẹ mẹsẹ̀ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ bù. Ẹ rẹ̀ sí àti ń dààmú yín bù. Ó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ tí ń jẹ́rù. Agbára sì ń bẹ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Get power. You get power. There's power. Yes. Agbára ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Èèyàn ń bẹ, Ọlọ́run ń bẹ èèyàn wà. So, I'm going today. Till next time when you meet me again, don't forget, I'm Baba Oloye Original. Call me or WhatsApp me. My phone number is 08054749455. 08054749455. You will see it at the bottom of this video. Help me share as usual. And those of you that are giving me money, I really appreciate. I can't do without thanking you. Yes, you are helping me. You are promoting this business for me. You know I'm a poor man, as I used to tell some people. But those who visit me, they know I'm living a low profile. Yes. Ibi mo ń gbé gan mi dá mi láàmú bẹ́ẹ̀. Water is disturbing me. Olótẹ́ẹ̀lì kan ti di omi pa lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ilé wa. Ó ti di pa, omi ń dà wá láàmú. Yes, báyàwó lọ́lọ́run ó lò tó gbé mi síbi ire ní ọmọ. Omi ń dà wá láàmú. Ẹnìkan alágbára ẹnìkan ṣoṣo ló di omi pa lẹ́yìn ilé mi níyẹ̀sí. We have written letter to council. We have written letter to town planning. Nothing. The man was doing a guy like this. It's at the back of my house. Olùdààmú gbogbo wa tó mi fi ń dààmú wa. Bí wọ́n bá dé lágbára tó bá wá yẹn jú ẹ̀ náà, ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló wà, bó ṣe wà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Till next time we meet you again, remain blessed.